Hey, watch the rest of it.
Alright, how the fuck am I gonna get out of here?
Where is it? Where's the box? Where? Use the D-pad.
Alright. Fuck. God damn it.
In a little bit more. Oh, it's right there.
Hey! Shoot inside the
Right,
boat!
left.
Hey! Shoot inside the boat! Shoot inside, they're inside!
They're in the boat.
Man, I'm fucking hit and I can't get out of here. Shit.
Watch inside the boat.
Whatever.
Watch the boat. Watch inside the boat. Watch inside the boat.
Surge, watch inside the boat.
They're literally in the boat?
Yeah, they're in the boat.
I guess so.
That's friendly?
Alright, watching the boat, man.
I don't see anybody in the boat. Hey! Are you in there? Oh, you have to check here. We have one in the way.
Yeah.
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Hey! Other body!
Damn, you gotta look the fuck up.
Hey, just throw it!
Hey guys, watch out in the boat.
Bring it here.
Guys, we gotta get some people watching the boat.
Fucking idiots.
Another guy's away. I got the left side, watch the back side, watch. Hey, behind the ship, watch the ship.
Ship left side!
Two men. No one wraps around.
Holy fuck.
Hey, I'm gonna throw this back just in case we wrap if they wrap around.
Yeah, I want it back.
Well, I'm just gonna slide it back. Stay here. We can stay here. You're stupid.
Damn, you're getting lit up.
Hey! Yo.
Zach! Yeah, call out some shit. Okay, fuck. Are they in the boat? Are they in the boat?
Yeah,
Yo, are they inside the boat? In the boat?
They're right here. They're right here.
Zach!
Get out! Get out! Let me load. Stop cheating! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Reloading, reloading.
Get out! Get out!
Hey, you're hit. You're hit.
Cheating at it. There's a guy at the blue wave, watch it. There's a guy at the blue wave
Right in front of us?
Let me load up.
Hey, dude, the guy's still here. You gotta reload.
Hey, someone step in front of me. I need to reload. Someone step in front of me. I need to reload.
I gotta reload too.
I can't
Step in
fucking
front of
move.
me. Someone.
So, hey.
Damn it.
Go in front of me. Someone go in front of me.
Fuck.
Step in front of me.
You're out, you're out, you're out. Good. Pull that.
Do we need a speedballer?
Alright, throw money back.
Alright,
We're good now. The bomb is right here at this ship,
alright.
so don't let them move up.
Alright, yeah, you want to move back in front of me? You got 2 pistols, I got 1.
Just don't stand up, I'm above you.
Alright.
Holy fuck, we're good. Reloading. There's one guy at this ship, he's got the bomb. One guy at this boat. There's a guy at this boat with the bomb. Get out! Get out! Your foot! Get out! You're hit on your foot! Get out! Get out! No blood firing! Hit! Hit! Get out! Get out! You're hit!
Guys, move up, move up, move up, move up! Yeah, move up, man, move up. That was fucking stupid. Some kid stuck his fucking mini around the fucking red crate.
You got out?
Yeah, wanna go back in though?
Everybody was just waiting in the fucking truck, bro.
Alright.
Goggles down. You're on a field. Goggles
Put your mask
down.
on, put your mask on, put your mask on. You gotta keep your mask on until you're off the field, man.
No, it's just one. It's one game. It's 3 in person.
Hey, Anthony.
No,
Anthony.
I need your wrist in. No, I'm not.
Hey, yo, is this light blinking?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yo, leave those down.
I was probably so many people in that boat.
Left side went great!
I see you. We need someone here. Come on. Come on. Move up. When you guys are tagging in, you're taking that black and yellow building. Black and yellow building, and you're back in the game. Hell yeah.
Hey, runner, you got my mag? I'll give me that mag back after the game. Or alright, right now. Nice.
Hey, you back?
Thanks. Yeah.
Can you get my paw back?
Your what?
My paw.
Your paw?
Help!
Just put your hand up and go. You're good.
We're angry.
Just go get it. Alright. One mag, partially full.
One guy got busted up in the fucking open. That's good talk. Bye, Steven. Let me try to.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. What's up? Alright. I'm trying to get over to there.
If you're on this side, you can see them. They're just standing up there, but
Yeah.
I can't hit them because there's too many guys over there on the right.
Yeah.
So, hey, what's your plan?
I'm gonna try and get over here. I think they're going on some sort of push.
Okay. Let's see what he wants to do.
Oh, fuck. What's up?
I've been trying to get out of here. Going back that way. That's what I'm going to do. Want to switch?
Go for it.
You're all the way up to the van right now. Matrix! You have paint in there?
Yeah.
Here. Matrix, let me get a pod. Let me use it real quick and I'll refill it. Fuck. I got you on top.
Alright. What's up? Man, I got one mag left. There's not much I can do here. Whoa.
It made you big journey inside.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck. I hit that fucking you got a mag.
That's all the paint I got, man.
Ed.
Chill, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw the car.
Thanks, bud. I got a lot of people that minute.
I got one shot in this thing.
Hit!
Fuck.
What's up, man?
I got one shot left.
Oh!
Oh.
What is it? Make me want to run. Woo! No blind firing!
I'm out of paint.
You made it count?
Huh? Awesome. Thank you. One on the wall over there.
Oh shit! Hey, there, your right side. Hey, your right side, right side, right side. No, we're not.
They're all covered and then you can head out.